All right, guys, it is a new setup for Staasch. One of the things we do for our Indian ringneck is we change his rolling habitat a lot. So, as an example, he got this in March for St. Patrick's Day. So, then this week or this month's box, you've got a hippie wagon, smiley face, and what can only be described as a happy van of some kind. So this is the stuff that we set up for him, and he gets to play, and we move the ropes around. One of these setups are great. You can pick them up on Amazon. They're relatively cheap. Get a bunch of different ropes, and I added the extra perch. This is a piece of nice hardwood dowel, and it looks great. So enjoy.